Hey, welcome back to Blanchy Talks Watches. Today we've got another unboxing video. Now you may have noticed up the top of the screen it said includes paid promotion. Now this kind of does and it kind of doesn't, because it does because I get to keep this watch. Kind of doesn't because the brand that gave me this watch didn't actually know I was going to do a video on this at all, because I've actually already reviewed it in a different colour. So before we jump in, I'll do a quick wrist check. I've got the Vostok Luna Dude. This is the modified version. Funny story behind that. If anyone would like to see a full review of that, let me know. I can do up a video. I already have a build video, but if you want to see a review, let me know in the comments. Okay, so we'll dive in. This has been killing me not to open this today, because I know what the watch is, I know how it wears, and I absolutely love this one. Can't cut in a straight line at all. It's been a long day. Actually, we're in. So if you've been watching my last few videos, you might know what this is. There we have it. Ugly Watch Company. So what could this possibly be in this nice travel case? It is, of course, the 100-meter sport watch with the pink dial. I am delighted to get this one. So the reason I said this kind of isn't a sponsored video is that if you've seen my review and comparison video of the 100-meter sport, I had the blue version for review, and I have the 50-meter version myself in my collection that I won in a competition, and I absolutely loved it. I loved how it wore, how it looked. The only thing I didn't like is that I already had a blue dial, so it wouldn't make sense to have the two of them, but that wasn't an option anyway, because it was a review sample that I had to send back, or actually sent it to a different reviewer. So then Landon reached out, the owner of Ugly Watch Company, and said he was going to send me one to keep. So totally surprised by that, didn't expect it at all, and absolutely thrilled. And he didn't know I was going to make a video about this at all, but I thought this is too nice not to do a quick unboxing, and I'll do a review as well in the one go, because I've already worn it for so long, the blue version. I know exactly how it feels and wears. It's well packaged. That's something I haven't seen, actually, just an extra bit of foam to keep it secure on the cushion while it's in the case. And this is minty fresh, so I will do all the pills for you now. Start at the clasp, which has the nice deep engraving or etch of the Ugly Watch Company logo, which is the Norse rune of the letter U, I believe. I'll try not to make too much of a fool of myself peeling the bracelet, because I've done that on too many review watches where I struggle for far too long, and it is going that way again. I mean, I might speed it up. I'll see how it goes. I know you guys like to see me struggle. So, God, I haven't even started peeling it. That's a very poor attempt on my behalf. Okay, there, I'm in, finally. If anyone is still left watching after me struggling there, thanks for hanging in. Not the most dignified peel, but look, we're getting there. Okay, that's one side of the bracelet off. Very nice Jubilee bracelet. Looks to be quite long, so I'll be taking a few links out of that. I won't bother doing that in the video, I'll do it afterwards, so don't worry, you won't be stuck watching me struggle through that as well, although taking out links normally goes pretty quickly for me. Remember, kids, always cut towards yourself when you're using a knife. Please don't actually do that. Okay, we're nearly there. After far too long struggles, we nearly have the bracelet freed from its plastic wrapping. You can be assured that it will be absolutely kept safe in transport with that amount of wrapping on it. Nice peel there. Then up to the watch head, which again is shrink wrapped. Coming off a bit easier. Look at that dial, that is beautiful. And then we've got the blue protector on the crown. Should just scratch off, I think. Yeah. I always find these protectors a pain to get off. Sometimes I use a plastic, it's a trim removal tool actually for cars, automotive trim removal tool. You might see me use it in my mod videos to get bezels off, but I use that sometimes on these if they're a bit stubborn. There we have it, lovely etched crown as well. Okay, so that's taking that dial. This obviously is a pink dial, but it is mother of pearl, so you can see that shimmer in it. It's like nothing else mother of pearl. It's just so unique. Every one of them looks different. It's not catching it really on camera, but in person there's kind of blues and purples and deeper pinks and even some green showing up. Yeah, you can kind of see it there. See on the right hand side up over the date, and it's a bit more predominant in person, but it's kind of getting it there. But you can see the way it shimmers in the light. Very, very nice. Case is a lovely mix of brushed and polished. You've got the brushed band around the centre, and then you've got the polished bands over and under it. Then for the movement, I'll try to get a decent shot there through the display case back. The movement is an ST2130 High-Beat Automatic Movement. It's 28,000 beats per hour, and it has perlage. It's a hacking movement, quick set date, and the power reserve on this is about 48 hours. So that's very, very good. It's a lovely looking movement. Get a good focus on there. Yeah, you can see the detail on there. It's quite nice. I thought there was a speck of dirt, but there's another protector. So with the additional plastic off, you can see it much clearer there. It is beautifully detailed. I like the mix of metals used. You've got the, it looks like a copper ring in the middle, and different coloured gears, just to give a bit of visual interest. And you can see the jewel there as well, the purple jewels. Very, very nice. The bracelet then as well. It's a nice quality Jubilee bracelet. A little bit of wiggle in it, but that's what you get in a Jubilee bracelet. It just means there's so much articulation. Like, look at that. It's just endless articulation, so it's extremely comfortable to wear. The clasp then is milled with a fold over lock. Nice quality. You've got 3 micro adjusts, which I normally prefer to have a bit more than 3, but due to the small link size, 3 is plenty. I mean, there's loads of links you can take out there, so by the time you take out these small links, then the 3 micro adjusts, there's plenty of adjustment to get it to sit right. So I'll just get the calipers to do some measurements here. So this was launched on Kickstarter there recently, but it is available to order now directly from the Ugly Watch Company website. There we are, so it's 40 and a half, 41 millimeters, depending on how you, yeah, there's about 41 millimeters. Thickness then, it's about 11, I believe. Just double check. Yeah, it's coming in 11.2 there. Lug To Lug is 47, and the strap width, I think it's 22. Yeah, 22. It's just shy because I don't want to risk scratching the lugs there with the calipers, because the end links are very nice fit. There isn't room to just stick it in there. And check it. The crown, then, in case anyone's interested, the size of the crown is 6mm, which is very well proportioned to the case. You can see there, it fits nicely. This is a gorgeous watch. I'm thrilled with this. I'm so excited when I found out I was getting one of these to keep, because I really didn't want to have to send it back. And I mean, it didn't really make sense, or at least I thought it didn't make sense when I had the 50mm blue, but to be honest, it meant that I just didn't even look at my 50mm blue when I had the 100mm blue, because the quality is just so much better. It's kind of hard to describe. Like, it's just better in every way than the 50mm blue. So if you do have a 50mm blue, don't hesitate to buy one of these. And look, the colour options as well. The blue 50mm was only available in blue, whereas this is available in pink, purple, black and blue. I believe the pink, black and blue are currently available for immediate delivery, and then the purple will be available, I think it's in July, but yeah, it'll be soon enough. Okay, so I will put it on the wrist. I'm not going to size it, so it's going to be too big, but you'll get an idea of what it looks like. So there we have it. There's plenty of extra room. So my wrist is 7¼ inches, so you can kind of judge there. There's a good bit extra that you can keep in if your wrist is bigger, or take out if you need. Like I said, there's loads of adjustments or loads of links you can take out, so it'll fit smaller wrists than mine. But there we have it. That is beautiful. I've said before, 42mm is my preferred size, but I think with the proportions of this, it's just ideal. Side view, very nice profile on it. Oh, it's such a nice dial, and like, it's a funny one. I never thought I'd be chasing a pink dial. I really didn't. I've seen nice watches with pink dials, and I've just never been interested. But once I saw the pictures of this one, I thought, God, it's beautiful, and I really want to get it in person to try out. I think the colours of this year are going to be pink and purple. I'd say purple will be the big colour for this year, because people won't be brave enough to go for pink. But like Tiffany blue being the main colour of 2021, I think it's going to be pinky purples for 2022. And I saw there on Just One More Watch, Jody actually put out a video there saying your next watch is going to be purple, and I agree with him. It's going to be purple or it's going to be pink. And I think, yeah, look, be brave, take the step out of your comfort zone. You won't regret it. This is just beautiful. As I said, this is available from the Ugly Watch Company website. If you're in Europe, you can get it, I believe, from republicatime.ie. If they don't have it up yet, shoot them an email, and I'm sure they can sort something out for you. They're one of the European suppliers for Ugly Watch Company. Don't forget as well, if you do shop at Republic of Time, use my code BTW15 to get a discount on most of their products. I don't get anything back from that, but they lend me watches to review, so it's a nice relationship we have going. Yeah, look, this is stunning. Oh, I'm just mesmerised with this. I could just stand here staring at this watch for hours. It's just such a good watch. The full retail price on this, I believe, is $500, and the Kickstarter price was, I want to say, $289. So, as things go with Kickstarter, you did get a pretty good deal, but I think even at $500, this is a really solid watch. Let's try to get close with the dial there. You can see the applied indices and logo, with the high polished hands with the lume on it as well. It's not dark enough to test the lume, but it's decent lume. It does last quite well. Yeah, this is beautiful. I'm very, very impressed. And as I've said before, Ugly Watch Company are my current favourite watch brand. They've got some amazing pieces. I have the Rista Market 2, the 50 meter blue, and now the 100 meter pink in my collection, and I will absolutely be adding more. Their dive watches are incredible as well. I have a couple of them on loan from republicatime.ie at the minute. I really need to get the review of them filmed. Yeah, so I'm going to leave it there. I've already reviewed the blue version of this, so I don't want to spend too much time more talking about it, but yeah, look at that dial. I think what I said already stands. Be brave, get out of your comfort zone, get a pink or purple watch. You won't regret going with Ugly. Thanks very much for watching. Please do comment, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Would you be brave enough to wear a pink watch? I certainly didn't think so until I saw this one, and yeah, stunning. Right, I'll leave it there. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers.